Welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about a third-party plugin for audio called the Speech Key. So the Speech Key plugin essentially functions as a text-to-speech converter, providing an audio file that you can download or embed in social media or in any website. Let's come to our ChatGPT, and from here I am going to download and install the Speech Key plugin from the plugin store. Then make sure that you have also enabled the plugin. With Speech Key enabled, you can now use ChatGPT as normally as you do, but with additional audio generation. You can either generate text using ChatGPT or use your own pre-existing text and then ask ChatGPT to convert it into an audio file. In this lab, I am going to ask ChatGPT to create the text for me, and then I am going to convert that text into audio. So I am going to prompt it, give me the top 10 quotes. This time it will not use Speech Key, and simply ChatGPT will return me the top 10 quotes from different people. And once I have all the quotes, I am going to prompt it convert these quotes to audio. As you can see on your screen, the speech plugin text-to-speech conversion is in progress, which means that it is using Speech Key for the conversion. And as soon as the conversion is completed, you will get a link to the audio file that the ChatGPT created for you. You can simply click on the hyperlink in the ChatGPT UI and it will redirect you to the URL which has our audio file. But if you are using it for the first time, then it will ask you to log in by providing your details, and you can do so by simply providing your email and password to log into Speech Key. Now you can either listen to the audio or download it. So let's listen a part of it to see if it is generated in the correct way or not.
1. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 2. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. Martin Luther King Jr. 3. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. 4. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 5. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot.
Apart from playing the audio file, you can also download it and use it in your presentation or any other video that you want. I've downloaded it and used it in my presentation slide.
1. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 2. In the end, we will remember not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. Martin Luther King Jr. 3. The only way to do great work is to love the world.
So this is how you can use the Speech Key plugin to transform your text files into an audio file. And that is all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.